I am Lauren Hilton with Volta Insite. I am the Director of Business Development here, and I wanted to talk a little bit about predictive maintenance plans for your facility. I know many of you probably have extensive preventive maintenance plans in your facilities, but how many of you are incorporating predictive? It's somewhat of a new idea, so some of you may not even know what that means. So let's dig into it a little bit. And what do I mean by predictive maintenance? It's a forward-thinking approach that leverages advanced technologies, data analytics that can help predict when equipment and machinery are likely to fail. What this does is it allows time for maintenance and prevents unexpected breakdowns or failures. Condition monitoring. Implement real-time condition monitoring systems in your facilities. These continuously track the health of your equipment. This allows you to identify any deviations from normal operation and take preventive action properly. Predictive analytics. Leverage predictive analytics to anticipate equipment failures and schedule maintenance activities during planned downtime. This minimizes disruption to your production process and maximizes efficiency. Maintenance schedule optimization. Use the insight gained from predictive maintenance to optimize your maintenance schedules. You can reduce the frequency of unnecessary maintenance and focus resources on areas that need attention the most. Inventory management. Streamline your spare parts inventory by stocking only what's necessary. Predictive maintenance helps you order parts or replacements in time, reducing carrying costs and ensuring you have the right items when you need them. The integration of predictive maintenance is not just a matter of convenience, it's a competitive advantage. It reduces operational costs, enhances equipment reliability, and ultimately leads to increased profitability.